I am here with Chef Diana Nadira from the Nadira Group, who is going to share with us a recipe on how to make exotic fruits mousse.
Hi Cindy, thank you so much for having me today. And so we're going to start off with the crust. So we have the Goya Maria cookies. I just crushed those up. Then we're going to add some toasted coconut, gives it a nice nutty flavor. And then we're going to bring it all together with some melted butter.
Ooh.
Yeah, delicious. So.
And you just stir that up.
So this is the base for our mousse.
Okay.
So if you want to help me, Cindy, I'm going to put this inside. And if you want to pat it down with your hands, we're going to make a nice even layer. So then after this is going to go into the fridge to set up so the butter can chill, and then we're going to move on.
So after the crust sets in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, now, Chef, you're going to make the mousse.
Yes, we're going to make the mousse. So in our little saucepan, we're going to add our coconut milk, the Goya coconut milk, and then some Goya cream of coconut. So this has sugar already in it, so we don't add any more sugar to this mousse. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. And we're just looking for it to heat up because we're going to add our gelatin to this. This is just powdered gelatin, so I activated it over some water, some very cold water.
How long do you cook this for?
So we're just looking for it to heat up. We don't want to simmer it or bring it to a boil.
Okay, just heat up, okay.
Yeah.
So now you whisk that.
Yes. We're going to whisk away all these lumps that are here. It's just the coconut fat. So now we add the gelatin. See how it's activated. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and just.
Oh, you turn it off after you've warmed it up, okay.
Exactly. We're letting just the residual heat.
You can smell the coconut.
Right? So after this is dissolved, what we're going to do is we're just going to let it come to room temperature. It should take about 20 minutes.
So after the gelatin plus coconut milk has come to room temperature, now we're going to put the final touches.
Yes, we're going to assemble our mousse. So I already have the whipped cream here. It's been whipping for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to slowly add our coconut and gelatin mixture. And this is going to aerate the mousse to make it super light and fluffy. And then we're going to use some of this coconut, grated coconut, to give it texture. All in. Good. So now to funnel this, we're going to use our little pancake funneler. Okay. So you want to go ahead and I'll show you one.
Oh!
Just like that.
Oh, that is cool.
You want to try? So now this goes back into the cooler and it has to set for 4 more hours.
So after the mousse has been in the refrigerator for 4 hours, now we're ready for the final touches.
Yes, we're going to top it with some mango pulp. So we're just going to put a little bit on top. Okay. So after this, just a few more garnishes. We have some toasted coconut flakes for crunch. And finally, some mango, fresh mango.
Yes. And now we're ready to enjoy this mousse with exotic fruits. This is perfect.